A drone that can fly is one thing, that can identify, track, and trust is another. Hi, I'm Dr. Qamar Islam. One of the most important practical changes in the drone ecosystem is remote ID. Remote ID is often described as a kind of digital license plate for drones. The FAA explains it as the ability of a drone in flight to broadcast identification and location information, helping support safety, security, and more complex integration into the airspace system. It is now a core requirement for most registered drone operations, unless you are operating in very specific exceptions like a FRIA. The FAA also added is discretionary enforcement policy in 2024, which means compliance is no longer something operators can treat casually. Why does this matter technically? Because drone autonomy does not scale on flight control alone. It scales on accountability. Remote ID affects how we think about compliant aircraft design, fleet registration, operator traceability, security workflows, and the most important, the trust in crowded or sensitive airspaces. It also changes responsibility. For example, recent reporting around DJI's geo-fencing changes reminded everyone that if automated restrictions weaken, then operator responsibility and regularity visibility matter even more. So my 2026 view is the future of drone autonomy will not be built only on a smarter navigation. It will also be built on clearer accountability. Thank you.